Just started wiring 454 in my 57 Chevy. First wire I ran was for the electric pusher fan. Have a new insert for the dash. Has 5 toggle switches on it for all the different functions. Shouldn't take too awful long. Just take my time and get them all crimped good. Get wiring all squared away. Nice harness looking. Got all 3 of my toys out today. 91 S10 Pro Street, blown 406 with a Glide 4500 stalls Hughes converter, 9-inch with 410 and my Packard Racer, single seat center steer, open wheel boat tail, has a turbo 350 transmission in it. Had it at a cruise yesterday. Always get lots and lots of attention. So anyway, that's my tribe of vehicles for the time being. I'm really wanting to get the 57 finished up so I can drive her a little bit. I drove it when it still had the 6-cylinder in it a few times. And it drove nice and straight and it stopped good even though it's still a 4-wheel drum. I don't know if it'll do the same with a big block in it or not. I gave it extra room around the valve covers and a distributor by moving the engine forward 2.5 inches. Hopefully that makes life easier when I'm doing maintenance on it. New switch panel ought to make life easy. And my friend from London hanging on the mirror. And tomorrow is the 4th of July, so I'm going to take a day off and goof.